If anyone's heard some of my earlier videos, you know I have a fear of SNAPHU, which is the plugin that we need for unwrapping. And I'm happy to know I think I've gotten over it and sorted out my issues, because mine definitely wasn't working. And so wanted to just do a video on how to sort that out. So early on, after you've installed the software, you're going to have to install SNAPHU. So you'd go to Tools and go to Plugins. And then you'd go to available plugins, and you'd have to look in this list for SNAPHU. It's not in my list because I've already installed it. I'll show you what it looks like. This is it over here. And in the plugins, you'll give it a tick, and then you'll click on install, and it'll install. You might, I think you click in the tutorial here, it says you click a next button, and then you'll have to restart Snap. And as soon as you've restarted Snap, you've just got to go give it a folder where to a target folder where to put, you've got to install some bundles. And so how you do that is you go Tools, Manage External Tools, and my SNAPHU was here, but it had I think it was an exclamation point here. So you highlight it and click on this Edit button, and then under this Bundles tab, I just went and replaced whatever was here with C semicolon / GIS, which is the folder that I have got all of my data in that I'm currently working with. I just wanted to take a screenshot of this for the system variables, just in case anybody's struggling. So again, this C/GIS folder, this is where all of my data is that I'm running off. And so yeah, it looks like it's working.